Prime Minister Narendra Modi told Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO scientists to not lose hope after Vikram lander of Chandrayaan-2 lost communication with the ground station on the early hours of Saturday. In his encouraging address to the scientists, Prime Minister Modi added that a major part of the mission has been successful and congratulated the Space Research Organisation for its efforts, but ISRO Chief K. Sivan was inconsolably upset. In fact, K. Sivan broke down after the speech, and in a video that has gone viral on social media, Prime Minister Modi was seen consoling him with a heartfelt hug. It was an emotional moment considering the effort that went behind India's second lunar mission. Manipur Hills Journalist Union MHJU today celebrated its 36th Foundation Day at the Manipur Press Club, Imphal. The event was attended by MP Dr. Lorho, APO of Directorate of Information and Public Relations, Government of Manipur, Tensubam Sangita, and President of MHJU, Ramkung Pamai as main guest. A combined team of Imphal East Commando under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police, Imphal East, Thangkochon Haukip, arrested one active cadre of the proscribed UNLF last evening from Top Moirangkampu. The arrested cadre has been identified as Khetrimayum Gaurabi Singh, alias Lanthaba, aged 50 years, of Tumukhong, Mayai Laikai. He was later handed over to Porompat Police Station for further legal action. With Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh giving a green signal to the Motor Vehicle Act 2019, which was recently passed in the Parliament House, two-wheeler riders without helmet will be fined ₹1,000 as per the new act. Two of the LLI low canals at Moirang and Imphal have stopped functioning due to a technical snap in the transformer at Pump House number 1, according to reports. Talking to TOMTV, members of Bishnupur Constituency BJP Campaign Committee allege that the Chief Minister is keeping silent on the issue despite promising for purchasing a new transformer. Chief Justice of Madras High Court V.K. Tahil Ramani has tendered her resignation to President Ramnath Kovind. As per reports, she resigned after the Supreme Court Collegium declined to reconsider its decision to transfer her to the Meghalaya High Court 2 days ago. The Collegium, headed by Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi, recommended transfer of Justice Tahil Ramani to the Meghalaya High Court. She was elevated as the Chief Justice of Madras High Court in August last year.